We're a general supply dental company. Pretty much a one-stop shop for our customers. We've got some great exclusive lines as well as some everyday sort of brand products. We've been in operation over 27 years.
There's plenty of suppliers out there, but I think Medi-Dent really has been around for a very long time, and we've had a really good relationship because whenever we need something, they're there.
The thing which I enjoy about dealing with a company like Medi-Dent, it seems to be a smaller company where the individual actually matters.
Probably a lot of our business are smaller practices, family-type businesses as well, which is like our business.
I find the catalogues are really, really good to use. They're colourful, they actually show a price, you actually know what you're paying for a particular item. So you know if you're purchasing something from Medi-Dent, you know that it's really a good product.
We have been working with Medi-Dent. We didn't have that long history yet, but we already feel that we are the part of their family.
Some of the brands, they are exclusive brands. So it's even more exciting when you can actually work with one brand.
You want to find a company that really has other products in their portfolio that correlate to your product portfolio. And I think that's what really gave us a great synergy between Layers Research and Medi-Dent. The history, the quality of products.
Their other major selling point is the knowledge that their people have that work for them.
They're always personable, they give us lots of information. The pricing's competitive.
The customers feel that they're dealing with a family business, and I think they really like that.
You need that customer service where you trust the person and they have the dental knowledge, and I think really Medi-Dent encapsulates all of that.
When I've got an emergency and I've got a product, their service guys are there ready to go, and that really helps.
My advice to other dentists would be sometimes it's good to give a smaller company a chance. It's when you deal with a smaller company and you pick up a phone and you speak to a person, they know how your practice works, they know what you'd like to use, they don't hard sell stuff to you.
If you haven't had a look at the catalogues, have a look through. It's worth getting a relationship with the company.
Look, you can't go wrong with Medi-Dent. I think they do a great job, so give them a go. They're local and they're really good people.